Hey, Kipsters. So, to answer the do now question, or at least my thoughts on the do now question, is something that we still practice today that they practice or used a long time ago is yoga. I think about yoga. I think about how yoga was invented 5,000 years ago in India, and its sole purpose was for a person's body and mind to get in tune with nature. And that's what they did 5,000 years ago. But today, in our society, in our world, people are still doing yoga. People are doing yoga to become healthy. People do yoga to be fit? But people also do yoga for the same reasons they did yoga 5,000 years ago. So that's what we're going to go over today. We're going to go over how ancient Greek culture is still seen in our culture today. Okay? So we're thinking about things that the ancient Greek have created for us that are helpful for us today. All right? So I want you to think about that as we're going through our rest of our activity today. All right? I'll see y'all later. Bye.